mine?
No. This is how you tow a boat in Miami. You got a big 40-foot boat with a green light and everybody waiting for us. What do you got to say?
I got caught in the box. The traffic was moving and stopped.
Welcome to Miami. Alright guys, let's go for a little walk around of this beauty. This is our friend Lindsay's boat, and me and my dad did a favor. I'm picking it up for him, and we're taking it to Performers Boat Center to get it ready for the Key West poker run in Key West coming up in November. So this is a 2008 DONZI ZRC quad step. It's the same exact hull as my dad's black DONZI, and the DJ's is blue DONZI. It has Arneson's stern drive, surface drives. And this is a Rooster Tail King. Let's go up on top very quick because my dad's putting some diesel. And I want to give you guys a walk around of this beautiful boat. I don't know much about this boat, but I know enough. Any questions you guys have, drop it down in the comment section below, because Lindsay watches all my videos and I'm sure he's going to be watching this video. So any comment section, any questions, ask Lindsay in my comment section down below. But look at this beauty. Definitely like the sea deck right here. And my favorite part, or one of my favorite parts, is that it has suede. Black suede. This is the exact same thing I want to put on my boat, on my interior. And it's nice and cool. You'll think it'll be hot. Everybody's first reaction is, oh, it's real hot. But not really, man. This is actually nice and cool. It's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon right now. Let's see this interior. Very nice. Very, very nice. This boat actually has a lot of cool things. I gotta stop saying one of the cool things. No, this boat has a lot of cool things. That's cool. The fact that you can get that steering wheel and put it there and your passenger can drive is cool. Real cool. Another thing, this boat has intercoms. So now you know you're legit. When you show up to the dock and you put these things on, everybody knows you're fast. Everybody knows you're super fast when you got that on. But that's super cool. This is something I'm trying to convince my old man to put on his boat. No JL sound system, JL everything. Nice. Look at this. Look at this. Do I have my phone on me? I'm gonna put down somewhere in the screen exactly what these engines are and what they have, because Lindsay sent me a text message saying all the specs and I just can't remember. This boat has so much in it. That's a lot to remember. But look at this, guys. You can eat off these engines. Like, not a single speck of dust, grease anywhere. Nice. I know I have a lot of die-hard gearheads, boat fans in here, power boat fans, so tell me, what am I looking at here? Something very special. Very, very special. Look at that. Look at the details, man. So we're taking the boat to Performance Boat Center. That's where my dad has his DONZI ZRC that he completely rebuilt. And that's where DJ has his blue DONZI ZRC that's also getting rebuilt because, well, both of them had to get rebuilt, and they're all three of them are gonna be ready for the Key West poker run in November. So hopefully, once we get there, we get to see all three of them put together. If you guys are not already subscribed to this channel, subscribe, and stay tuned because we're gonna be going for a ride along in this boat real soon, and it's gonna be real fun, guys. But it's another view of the interior before I get off. And it's just the details, gorgeous. All right, guys. I'm real excited to see all three of them parked up next to each other. You a dickhead. We made it. How's it going, man?
Another 38.
Another one. What do you think about this one? Which is your favorite one out of all three? This one too?
That will kill me.
I said I like this one. This was one of my favorite ones out of all three, to be honest. Here she is, guys. DJ's Donzi and my dad's Donzi. I haven't seen this boat probably since the last November poker run.
No.
November poker run is the last time you saw it. No?
Oh, yes.
So, Lindsay, DJ, and my dad's. This has 525s, powered by 525s. Unfortunately, DJ had to rebuild both of his engines. Let's see what's the update on this one. Oh, engines are still out. So unfortunately, DJ had to unbuild both of these. And then here's my dad's beauty. And we also rebuilt these. These are 1075s that have been bored out. They have a bigger piston and they lowered the compression because of detonation issues. Then they raised up the boost, put a bigger cam, and we got 1200 horse puppies under these, each on each side. So here's my dad's beauty. Whew, I miss you, baby. I haven't seen you in a long time. But here she is, guys. It's a little update on how she's looking. Kind of want to open up the engine compartment, but yeah, I know. Let's see. So we got 3 boats, same hulls, set up completely different. Like I said, my dad has 1075s that have been upgraded to 1200s. DJ has 525s that have been upgraded to 800s. He has these CX, SXC, whatever lower units. You guys know about this lower unit. My dad has the 6s, and Lindsay has the Allisons. And who says that you're allowed to record me? Get in a picture with me, babe. Come here. No, you come here. Comment down below which was your favorite, DJ's, my dad's, or Lindsay's beauty right here. Which was your true favorite one?
I can't say.
Honestly, I love that Magnum Marine, but I'm not allowed to film it, so I'm not gonna film it. I can only film our boats, and this is ours, that one's ours, and that one's ours. Yeah, bro, I want to see it, bro. Open it up. That's a beautiful looking beast. Look at that. Look at this. It doesn't matter. She's not done yet. She's still missing a few little details. I know I can't see because I don't have any light in here, but soon, guys. Soon you guys are gonna see her floating and ripping and sounding amazing. There we go. I have no idea what I'm looking at, but it looks pretty. But what a difference between these engines and Lindsay's engines. Like Lindsay's, I was able to sit down here and all that. And this, I can't sit down here. Look how massive these engines are. Soon we're gonna find out who's faster.
The black one is always.
Comment down below. Which was your favorite one? So far, Lindsay and my dad are getting the 2 my two favorites. My dad, because my dad, but Lindsay, because just these drives, man. I love these drives. I just gotta see who's faster. Once I see who's faster, that'll make up my mind. He has the best trailer of all three. Even though the trailer costs more than my boat alone.
I got $36,000 trailer.
I don't know if it's 36 grand.
It's 36 grand. Ask Ozzy how much that trailer would cost.
All aluminum welded, custom built to the boat itself. It can't be 38 grand.
No, it can't be at all. 10-inch beam. Drive guards. No, not at all. Well, the thing is that right when you want to get the car, there's that slip there. When that's wet, you're looking at it, and all you see is those blades or drops. So you're like, this car here, was when I was a kid. Being a kid, like, you're out, there's one like across my boat, all the way back.
So here's DJ's engines, the engines from the blue Donzi. Jose's dressing them up and getting ready to drop them in. They just got completely rebuilt, both of them. I don't know too much about the specs, but you know me, guys, I don't know too much of anything. And I'd rather give you guys the truth. I just like showing you guys what things look like. These are 525s with a stage 3 Whipple, and I believe they make around 800 and change horsepower. I want one of these, but with outboards. I know a lot of people are gonna kill me, but this little 27 Magnum Marine with outboards, I would love it.
Boy, some shit is fucking cold. All the aluminum fittings when you go out of salt water. With that, the black dash 20
Yeah.
there, that doesn't last very long in salt water. It's okay in the fresh water, but over here, the salt water, honestly, so.
Alright guys, we're gonna end the video here. We're leaving all three babies together. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, and stay tuned for the next update.